Every single kitchen on the planet has a roll of silver foil, but almost everyone is using it in the wrong way. You have been told lies for 60 years, and the industry has stayed silent because they profit when you waste it. There are 7 specific mistakes you are making right now that are costing you money and making your life harder. From the myth of the shiny side to a hidden danger on your grill, the truth is buried under decades of clever marketing. This is about reclaiming secrets that the multi-billion-dollar packaging industry does not want you to know. Stay until the end to see how a 3-cent piece of metal replaces hundreds in gadgets and toxic chemicals. Before these 7 revelations change your household forever, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It is time to beat the system and save your hard-earned money. Most people believe the shiny side reflects heat, while the dull side is just a byproduct, leading to endless debates. You might have spent years carefully flipping the foil, thinking it would make your food cook faster or stay warmer. But this struggle is based on a misunderstanding. In 1910, engineers discovered they had to run 2 sheets through the rollers together. The side touching the polished steel rollers becomes shiny, while the side touching the other sheet stays dull and matte. Scientists have proven there is absolutely zero difference in how heat moves through either side. Whether the shiny side is up or down, your food cooks at the exact same speed. The industry lets you believe in a secret trick simply to make the product seem more specialized than it is. Beyond the kitchen, aluminum foil possesses a hidden chemical power that can save your favorite tools from the trash bin. If you have a pair of scissors that barely cuts through a piece of paper anymore, do not throw them away or buy an expensive sharpening stone. If you take a piece of foil, fold it into several thick layers, and cut through it 10 times, those scissors will feel brand new. This happens because aluminum forms a microscopic layer of aluminum oxide, the same mineral found in industrial sapphires. As the blades slice through, this mineral acts as a gentle abrasive that cleans off sticky residue and smooths out tiny metal burrs. It is a simple conditioning process that takes less than a minute, but can extend the life of your household tools for years. The solution to a common problem is often right under your nose. There is a hidden danger lurking in your backyard that most families ignore until it is too late. Standard wire grill brushes are incredibly dangerous because the tiny metal bristles can snap off and hide in your food. Every year, hundreds end up in emergency rooms because they accidentally swallowed a wire that got stuck in their throat. Instead of risking your life with a $15 brush, you should be using a crumpled ball of aluminum foil. When you scrub a hot grill with a ball of foil held by tongs, it slices through burnt grease better than a brush ever could. It costs less than 3 cents to make a fresh cleaning ball every time you cook, ensuring your grill is perfectly clean. Enjoy your meal without the risk of leaving behind deadly metal fragments. If you see rust spots on your chrome faucets, you might think you need a new fixture or expensive chemical polish. The truth is that water and a small square of foil can do the job better than any store-bought cleaner. By folding a piece of foil and dipping it in water, you can rub away rust spots in seconds. This is not just about scrubbing, it is a scientific process called galvanic exchange. Because aluminum is more active than iron, it reacts with the rust and dissolves it chemically. You are using the same principles of chemistry that protect massive ocean-going ships from saltwater corrosion, all with a simple scrap of metal from your kitchen drawer. One of the most shocking secrets involves the very thing you are using to watch this video, your internet connection. Most people struggle with dead zones and think they need to spend hundreds on mesh Wi-Fi or expensive extenders. However, researchers have proven you can boost your signal by over 50% using nothing but a curved piece of aluminum foil. Since aluminum reflects router radiation, placing a foil shield behind your router acts like a satellite dish. It stops the signal from bleeding through walls and focuses all that energy back into the rooms where you actually need it. This trick makes your internet faster and more secure by preventing your signal from reaching hackers outside. Reclaim your connection with a simple scrap of metal from your kitchen drawer. Many find their ovens do not cook evenly, leaving them with cookies that are burnt on one side and raw on the other. This usually happens because heat does not circulate properly around the baking tray, but you do not need a $500 oven to fix it. If you crumple 3 small pieces of foil into balls the size of a golf ball and place them under your baking sheet, you create a critical air gap. This gap allows the hot air inside the oven to flow underneath the tray, ensuring the heat is distributed perfectly to every corner. It is a professional trick used by high-end chefs that allows you to get perfect results every time without rotating pans. Stop worrying about hot spots and reclaim your kitchen with a simple scrap of metal from your kitchen drawer. The solution to your hardest household problems is already in your hands. The packaging industry relies on you seeing aluminum foil as a cheap disposable item that you use once and throw away. They want you to buy specialized pads and expensive boosters because those products have high profit margins. When you realize that one roll of foil can perform all these tasks, you break the cycle of consumer dependency. The versatility of this material is hidden in plain sight, waiting for you to apply a little bit of science to your routine. By understanding how the metal reacts with heat and friction, you transform a kitchen staple into a multi-purpose tool. This simple scrap of metal saves you time and keeps your family safe. Take back your power and beat the system. If you have ever felt like your chores are a never-ending cycle of buying more products, it is time to look with fresh eyes. These 7 secrets are just the beginning of how you can rethink the world around you. We live in an age where the loudest marketing often hides the simplest truths. And the goal of this channel is to help you dig up those buried facts. Whether it is saving your scissors, fixing your internet, or cleaning your grill, the power to improve your life does not have to be expensive. It only requires a bit of curiosity and the willingness to question the way things have always been done. Stop buying the lies and start applying the science. Taking control of your home efficiency is a journey that starts with small changes. Each time you use foil to solve a problem instead of a chemical cleaner, you are winning a small battle against waste. You are also joining a community of people who value logic and practical knowledge over flashy advertisements. These hacks are a way of life that prioritizes intelligence and resourcefulness. As you go through your week, try just one of these methods and see the results for yourself. You will be surprised at how things work when you stop following rules written by people who want to sell you more stuff. Stop buying the lies and start applying the science. Knowledge is only powerful when it is shared. Imagine how much these tips could help those still struggling with slow Wi-Fi or dull tools. By sharing what you have learned today, you are helping to preserve practical skills that the industry has tried so hard to erase. There are so many more secrets hidden in your own home, and we are dedicated to uncovering every single one of them. Thank you for being part of this community that values the truth over the trend. Stay tuned for our next investigation, where we will open another vault of hidden knowledge that the world tried to bury. Knowledge is power. Audit the world with us.